Hi! In front of me is Nokia T10, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit. I will go with my Facebook one. Enter your current login method and click on Edit button right next to the delayed one. Now you can change wherever you want to. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!